present here. My name is Gunjan Vijayadharmade from 8th standard, and now I am going to tell you one incident from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar life. So this is the incident about his education of Sanskrit language. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wanted to learn Sanskrit language, but the Brahmins were not allowed to do this or to learn Sanskrit. So Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar wanted Sanskrit to be the official language of India and supported equal spiritual Sanskrit education rights for Dalits. However, he faced discrimination in his own education, including being denied the opportunity to learn Sanskrit. Ambedkar faced discrimination in school due to his caste. He and his brother were not allowed to sit on chair in the classroom and were made to carry gunny bags to sit on. Ambedkar wanted to learn Sanskrit, but other students and teachers in his schools were not allowed to learn it while he was not. He was told that he could not learn Sanskrit because he belonged to the Mahar caste. Because Sanskrit teachers were unwilling to teach him, Ambedkar studied Persian instead. Ambedkar believed that education should be provided without discrimination to all citizens of India. In 1904, the family moved from Satara to Bombay. Bhim and his brother were admitted to Elphinstone School. In the schools, they faced that all problems of not allowed to take Sanskrit as a second language because the Brahmin Sanskrit teacher would not teach the language of Vedas to Shudras. One incident that they left of lasting impression on him was when he was 9 years old and was thrashed from drinking water from a public tap. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and his community were prohibited from drink water from wells because they were considered polluted by the upper caste. Ambedkar and his community were denied the right to take a common village path. Likewise, this incident of his life, he had to face so much difficulties in his life. At last, I would like to say, नींद अपनी खोकर जगाया हमको, आंसू अपने गिरा कर हंसाया हमको। नींद अपनी खोकर जगाया हमको, आंसू अपने गिरा कर हंसाया हमको। कभी मत भूलना उस महान इंसान को, जमाना कहता है अंबेडकर जी को। कभी मत भूलना उस महान इंसान को, जमाना कहता है अंबेडकर जी को। थैंक यू।